Alright, YouTube, welcome to a new video, and you have already read the title, but if you take a look here, you can see that I have absolutely zero Robux, which is kind of funny, but they also took my Dominus. I had a prefectus. I don't recall how much it was worth, but if we take a look at my transactions, and we're just gonna go to sales. Okay, you can see all my items were sold, and here it is. It was sold for 200k, basically 186. You see right here, it happened this morning. Actually, this has been going on before today. So the story of how this happened in the first place, basically I installed some software that's not related to Roblox at all. It was just something else. But yeah, it was the first time this has ever happened to me. Roblox was not the only thing they tried to go after. They went after my bank, my social media. They got into my Twitter, my emails. So yeah, it's not a Roblox exclusive thing. But yeah, like I said, this is the first time something like this has ever happened to me. Precautions you should take: don't click on links, don't click on suspicious links, run some scans frequently to make sure you don't have any hidden viruses or malware on your computer. I sent an email to Roblox support. Hopefully I get my stuff back. If not, I guess it is what it is. But after this is all sorted out, it should be fine. Anyways, besides that, I'm just going to be creating more content for you guys, and yeah, hopefully you continue supporting the channel. Discord is going to be linked down below. If this is your first time, you can check out the content and subscribe if you wish to do so. Anyways, that's going to be it. I will see you guys next time.